Lesson 9.2, Video 4. Here's a unique type of problem that you have to be aware of, because again, remember, when we are trying to factor and cancel things out, they have to be exactly the same in order for things to cancel. But sometimes things don't look the same, but they kind of look the same at the same time. How does that happen? Well, in this first one, notice that we have 36 minus t squared. Now if I wrote that like the other ones, I would put the t squared term first, but it's negative, so I write that with a negative, and I go plus 36 all over 5t minus 30. Now looking at this, I see that I can factor the denominator by taking a 5 out, and I get t minus 6. And it looks like I'm done. On the top it's a binomial, 1 squared. There's no t, just a t squared, so I would say to myself, if it's two terms, is it a difference of two squares? And as is, it looks like it could be, but there's no minus in between them. But remember, you have a very important ability to take out a negative. When you factor out a negative, you get t squared, because that becomes positive, minus 36. Now you actually do have a difference of two squares. So those are considered opposites. I took the negative out. So I have a negative still there. I have a trinomial that I can factor because I know it's a difference of two squares. And that is a difference of two squares factored. I have factored the numerator and the denominator. So I can state the excluded values. And again, numerator doesn't matter. So I know that t cannot be positive 6. That's the only variable present, so it's the only scenario we have to worry about. I notice now that I have a t minus 6 on top and bottom, so they cancel. I'm left with a negative, parentheses t plus 6 over 5. And that is good enough, and you can finish there. And this ends Lesson 9.2, Video 4.